All right, so what I'm going to do here is a corned beef hash with leftover corned beef from St. Pat's Day. And I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to do everything in the food processor and try to whip through it really quick and see how it comes out. Well, give it a go. So first, before I dig into here, I got a little piece of red onion, and you should use a sweet onion, but I don't want to waste this. So I'm going to get that started with a little bit of garlic and olive oil in a pan. So let's grab a pan and do that one. All right, a couple cloves of garlic. All right, now that'll go into the pan with some olive oil. All right, I did add a little bit of salt and a little crushed red pepper to the onion in the pan. And all of this stuff is already cooked. This one is actually from a friend of mine. The one my mom made for St. Pat's Day is in the fridge. And I'm going to make some sandwiches. Make some sandwiches out of that one. So let me get some potatoes. It's a carrot. Why not throw a carrot in here? I think it's not at all usual for hash, but I think it'll be good. Let's see what kind of stuff he got in here. Some nice cabbage in here. I'm not going to use that for the hash, but I'm also not going to waste it. I'll eat that cabbage separately. I'll just heat it up in a pan. All right. Might have to add some more potatoes, but let's see. All right, now the corned beef. Boy, he brought over a lot. That's a big chunk of meat, and there's a lot of stuff left in there. So let's cut this up. Boy, this looks perfect. Let me give that a stir. One other thing is just a little bit of Worcestershire, I think, is good in this. It's way too much for me for one sitting, I could tell you that. I mean, I could pile away some food, but this is a lot. All right, there's that onion. Looks good. And like I said, a sweet onion would be better than a red onion, but I just didn't want anything to go to waste. Anyway, here is the pan that I just did the onions in. So I'm going to put just a little bit of, I got some really good white that I made, well, not made, but saved, perfect bacon grease. And I'm also going to use a little bit of butter. Let me put some hash in there. Over easy. Oh, a little bit too easy. It'll be all right. All right, there is that. And this. Oh, I broke a yolk. Oh, well. Can't get them all perfect. And there is that. So let's see. Ooh, hot. good. It's actually really good. Even though I messed up the egg, all I gotta do is throw a little pepper on it, a little bit more salt. That's it. It's good.